You look thin in clothes, but soft without them. Your scale says you're fine, but the mirror tells a different story. This is skinny fat, and it's more dangerous than you think. The term might sound contradictory, but skinny fat is a real metabolic condition. It's when you have a normal weight but high body fat percentage and low muscle mass. You're essentially carrying visceral fat around your organs while lacking the muscle that protects your health. And here's the wake-up call. You might be at higher risk for diabetes, heart disease, and metabolic syndrome than someone who's visibly overweight. The problem. So what causes this? 3 main culprits. First, crash dieting. When you lose weight too quickly, you lose muscle along with fat. Second, zero resistance training. Cardio alone won't build the muscle you need. Third, poor protein intake combined with too many processed carbs and sugars. Your body composition isn't just about calories, it's about what those calories are made of. The solution. Here's your action plan. Step 1. Start lifting weights at least 3 times per week. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench press, and rows. These build the most muscle in the least time. You don't need to become a bodybuilder, just progressively challenge your muscles. Step 2. Eat enough protein. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of your goal body weight. This preserves muscle while you lose fat. Good sources include chicken, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, and legumes. Step 3. Don't do extreme calorie restriction. A moderate deficit of 300 to 500 calories is enough. Eating too little will just make you lose more muscle. Step 4. Keep doing cardio, but make it smarter. Add high-intensity interval training twice a week instead of hours of steady-state cardio. This preserves muscle better while still burning fat. Step 5. Prioritize sleep and manage stress. Poor sleep and high cortisol levels actively break down muscle and promote fat storage, especially around your midsection. The timeline. Be patient. Real body recomposition takes time. In the first month, you'll feel stronger. By month 3, you'll see visible changes. By month 6, you'll look completely different. The scale might not move much or at all, muscle weighs more than fat, but your body will transform. Being skinny fat isn't about vanity. It's about your metabolic health, your longevity, and how you feel every single day. You don't need extreme measures. You need consistency with the basics. Lift weights, eat protein, sleep well, and give it time. Your body wants to be strong and healthy. You just need to give it the right stimulus. Start today. Your future self will thank you.